Hey guys, so up until now we've actually focused on Rue's Make app and how to do really cool things with automation and short links with Rue and Make. But actually in this tutorial I want to show you how to work with Rue's Chrome extension, because sometimes you don't need all the bells and whistles of the advanced functionality and all the really cool things that Rue knows how to do. Sometimes you just need a short link for whatever you're working on, to send to someone, to send to a WhatsApp group or whatever. We built a Chrome extension. In time, we'll add more and more functionality to it. But what it actually enables you is just to shorten the links, either where you're at right now or whatever link you wanted to, really easily, like with one click inside Chrome. So if you're inside the Root dashboard, you have a link here to the Chrome extension, to the Chrome Web Store. Actually, if you don't have the link, you can go here to Extensions, visit Chrome Web Store. If you type in Rue, will obviously be the first one that you see. So you get to the same place, click on Add to Chrome, Add Extension. Cool, Rue has been added to Chrome. Now, first time you click on it, you see it here. You can pin it. I always pin it, so I'll have it visible here. First time you click it, you see that it asks you for your public API key. Now, if you go inside Rue, you see that you have the short Chrome extension API key. That's the one you use. So copy it. You can close this one. So just put in your public API key. And you're ready to go. So what you have actually right now, whenever you click on the Rue icon, the extension, it'll take the URL you're at right now, put it here as the default value for the URL you want to shorten, click on generate, and you see the short URL. You can copy it and paste it and send it to anyone that you want. You can also put in whatever URL you want. So let's say I can edit this and just say facebook.com, generate the short URL. Sorry, maybe I need .facebook.com. All right, and we have our short URL. Now, copy this one, paste it, and we'll get to the Facebook login page. So this is we built the extension, and obviously in time we'll add more functionality to it, just so you have a means to really quickly create short Rue URLs. Obviously, you can take those now into Make and do whatever rules and automations you want on them with all the logic that we've shown you before, like the click on redirect or the schedule redirect or the webhooks, etc.